Welcome to Doreen McGunagle Fine Art Nature Photography. Today, we take you on a journey to one of nature's most captivating sights, Driftwood Beach on Jekyll Island, Georgia. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more nature adventures and conservation stories. Let's get started. Driftwood Beach is a sight to behold. Its unique landscape, adorned with large pieces of driftwood and fallen trees, captivates visitors from around the world. However, this natural beauty is under threat. Erosion, rising sea levels, and increased storm frequency due to climate change pose significant challenges. The preservation of Driftwood Beach has thus become a pressing concern. This video delves into the importance of preserving the beauty and ecological balance of Driftwood Beach. We'll explore the current state of the beach, the efforts being made to conserve it, and how you can contribute to these efforts. Visitors explore the Driftwood Maze, taking photographs. Driftwood Beach is more than just a beach. It's a natural art gallery where each piece of driftwood tells a story. The beach's unique appearance, created by natural processes and time, forms a picturesque landscape that is both haunting and beautiful. Driftwood Beach is also an important habitat for various species of wildlife. The driftwood and fallen trees provide shelter and food for a variety of organisms. The beach's ecosystem acts as a buffer, protecting inland areas from storm surges and high tides, making its preservation critical. Driftwood Beach faces several threats, including coastal erosion, rising sea levels, increased storm frequency, and pollution. These factors put the unique landscape and its ecological significance at risk. Efforts to preserve Driftwood Beach are underway. Various strategies are being employed, from erosion prevention measures like planting vegetation and installing sand fences to promoting sustainable tourism practices. Sustainable tourism is key to Driftwood Beach's future. Visitors are encouraged to follow guidelines to protect the beach, ensuring that their presence does not harm the fragile environment. Community involvement plays a crucial role in preserving Driftwood Beach. Local organizations lead beach cleanups, educational programs, and other activities to raise awareness and encourage conservation. Environmental protection laws provide a legal framework for conservation efforts. These laws help safeguard Driftwood Beach from harmful development and ensure compliance with preservation strategies. Everyone can contribute to the conservation of Driftwood Beach. Whether you're a visitor following guidelines, a local resident participating in cleanups, or someone supporting conservation programs, your efforts matter. The future of Driftwood Beach preservation depends on adaptation strategies and collaboration among government agencies, nonprofits, and the community. Together, we can ensure the beauty of Driftwood Beach for future generations. Thank you for watching. Remember, preserving Driftwood Beach is about balancing enjoyment with responsibility. Let's safeguard this natural wonder for future generations. Don't forget to subscribe for more nature adventures and conservation stories. See you next time.